What is up, boys? I'm back with another. Okay, I go with sellers here. Yeah, let's take some candidate psychology trades as usual. And yeah, okay, we have major and minor downtrend, uptrend. Okay, but I go with sellers here because we have strong sellers entry, and then we have pullback. Okay, this is entry, pullback. It's gonna keep dropping. Okay, so that's the reason why I go with sellers. Also, we have a nice entry on this level. Like if this candle even closes a green one, we can win the trade. Okay, it's gonna reject, no problem. Let's see. Okay, see, they rejected. Okay, that was my first trade. Let's move on. Okay. Okay, I see this doji candle here. I'm waiting for this doji to break, but it seems buyers are pretty strong. They are just trying to push the price. Okay, I go with buyers here. Okay, when I see these kind of movements from this candle, I realized that previously we have strong buyers volume on the previous candle. Okay, so the buyer's gonna enter here. Okay, so we broke this doji here. It goes a little more up. I can go with sellers here. Okay, it's not a proper break, but still. Let's see. The thing in trading binary option is that being able to read the market. Okay, so every movement of candles matters in binary option. Okay, when you're trading forex, it doesn't matter. Okay, you get your entry, it doesn't matter how it's gonna go up. Okay, might go like this, might go like this. Okay, it doesn't matter. But when you're trading candle by candle, it's very important to be able to read the buyers and sellers behavior in the market. Okay, we still didn't break this ranging, this doji range here. Buyers can enter again, but I will not take any trade on this pair. Let's change it. Okay, see strong buyers entry and strong downtrend. Okay, this is an engulfing pattern, and I'm looking for a retracement. Even though the trend is downtrend, and I usually don't go against the trend, but okay, that was a good trade we didn't take. Okay, if the trend was uptrend, I would go with buyers here, but for now it's risky. But this trade was pretty nice trade. Okay, let's change the pairs. Okay. Okay, if the price comes here, I will enter with marginal safety here. Come on, boy. Okay, I go with marginal safety here because this is you see the long shadows here. Okay, this is basically a bad market, I would say. Okay, you see the shadows are going crazy. So in these kind of markets, you have to look for long wicks and take your trades based on these wicks. Okay, so these wicks are basically strong rejections. Okay, so you're gonna find the common level. Okay, so in this case, this is the common level between this. Okay, so we could enter here, but we did even more safe. Okay, we entered here, and of course it's not just because of this reason. This is a downtrend. Okay, so yeah, and also these candles are pretty weak. based on their momentum. And also, we have this level, this candle close on this level, okay? This was a perfect trade, okay? So yeah, practice the points I, say in my videos. There's a link in the description. It's a free demo account. You can click and check it out. It's free, okay? And that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something. If you did, drop a like for me, the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Peace out.